What's up dropshippers? In this video I'm going to cover one of the most searched questions about dropshipping on the internet, which is, can dropshipping really make you rich? Now this video is going to be really amazing and informative, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Otherwise too, the video won't be too long. And for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Dheeraj, and on this channel I love to make videos about dropshipping and any other possible way to make money online. So if you find this video informative, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And yes, if you are really serious about dropshipping and want to become a millionaire, just buy my course and I assure you that you'll be a millionaire within the next 7 days. Okay, I was just kidding. I just wanted to let you know that I never try to sell any courses, so you don't have to worry about that on my channel. Now let's get straight into our topic. Dropshipping has been a popular business model for those looking to build an online store. Well, the reason is very clear, because dropshipping eliminates the need for inventory, meaning that you don't have to worry about carrying any product in your own warehouse or paying for the storage space. Dropshipping is a business model used by retailers who sell goods without owning inventory. Instead, the retailer sources product from one or more wholesalers as needed to fulfill order placed on his e-commerce store. The most significant appeal of dropshipping is that it allows entrepreneurs to get into the fulfilling part of running an online store without the need for a large outlay of cash. The amount of money you can earn as a dropshipper depends on the following factors. First, the type of product you sell. Some items are more expensive to buy from a wholesaler, and with this yield higher profits. Second, the size of your order. Dropshipping is volume based, so the larger your order are, the better chances you will have of making more money per sale. Third, your marketing skills. Marketing savvy can really help with dropshipping profitability. And fourth, your business expertise. A dropshipper's success depends on their ability to manage the customer experience, inventory and logistics. So is it probable to become rich with dropshipping? The answer to this question depends on the above factors and your ability to use them in a way to maximize profits. The most important thing is developing an understanding of how best to optimize all four factors together for maximum profit. If you want to take into consideration all the people that have tried dropshipping and haven't gotten rich, you can say it is unlikely that you will become rich with dropshipping. If you have a good work ethic and are willing to put in the time and patience, then it is more probable that you will become rich. Patience is the key in the business of dropshipping. Being patient and learning a great workflow is one of the biggest keys to being successful with dropshipping. Be careful of any guru selling you courses that promises you will become rich just by following the content. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Dropshipping is a great way to start off in an e-commerce and selling online without needing a lot of money for inventory or upfront cost, but don't expect to become rich overnight. While looking at courses to learn about dropshipping, make sure you do your due diligence and choose ones with good reviews and legitimate success stories. Conclusion: can dropshipping really make you rich? The short answer: yes, you can absolutely get rich from dropshipping. The long answer: you can get rich, but only after picking the right niche, spending significant amounts of time building your store, driving traffic to it, and learning a lot about digital marketing and sales. And remember, the key is to take it one step at a time and learn the process. If you are watching the video so far, that means the content was really helpful for you. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.